Welcome to Easy English Listening.
Look at all the green trees.
The air smells so fresh here.
It is much better than the city.
Is that your grandmother's house?
Yes, the one with the red roof.
It looks very cozy, Alex.
I spent every summer here.
I am happy to be here.
Let's go and say hello.
Alex, Sarah, you are here.
Hi, Grandma. You look great.
It is so nice to meet you.
Come in, come in. Are you hungry?
A little bit, yes.
I made some fresh bread.
I love your bread, Grandma.
Wash your hands first, kids.
We will be right back. This milk tastes different.
It is fresh from the farm.
And this honey is amazing.
My neighbor has many bees.
Can we have some more bread?
Of course. Eat as much as you want.
This is the best breakfast ever.
I told you the village is great.
There is more tea in the pot.
Let's go see the vegetables.
What do you grow here?
We have tomatoes, cucumbers, and potatoes.
Look at those giant pumpkins.
We use them for soup in autumn.
Can I help you pick some tomatoes?
Yes, take the red ones.
These are so heavy and warm.
They taste better than the shop ones.
Oh, is that a cow?
Yes, her name is Bella.
Can I touch her?
Be careful. She is very big.
She has such beautiful eyes.
Look at the small chickens over there.
They are so yellow and fluffy.
Do you want to feed them?
Yes, give me some seeds. Alex, do you hear that sound?
It sounds like a cat.
Look, under the big wooden box.
It is a tiny gray kitten.
Oh, poor thing. Is it lost?
I think it belongs to the neighbor.
Can we give it some milk?
Let's ask Grandma first.
It is so soft and cute.
We need water for the garden.
Where is the tap?
We don't use a tap, we use the well.
How does it work?
You drop the bucket and turn the handle.
Let me try it.
Careful, the handle is heavy.
Wow, the water is so cold.
It comes from deep underground.
Is it safe to walk here?
Yes, I know these paths well.
Are there any wild animals?
Maybe some rabbits or squirrels.
Look at those colorful mushrooms.
Don't touch them, they might be dangerous.
I just want to take a photo.
Photos are fine, but stay on the path.
The forest is so quiet. Are these strawberries?
No, these are wild raspberries.
Can we eat them?
Yes, they are very sweet.
Oh, it is delicious.
Let's collect some for Grandma.
I have a small basket in my bag.
Perfect. Fill it up.
My hands are all red now.
I brought some sandwiches.
And I have some cold juice.
Let's sit under this oak tree.
The grass is so soft here.
Do you like the silence?
Yes, no cars, no noise.
It is a perfect afternoon.
I think I want to take a nap.
Me too. The air makes me sleepy. I have 2 fishing rods.
I don't know how to fish, Alex.
It's easy. Just wait for a bite.
Look, the line is moving.
Pull it up slowly.
Oh, it is a small fish.
Well done, Sarah.
Should we keep it?
No, let's put it back in the water.
Do you have a washing machine?
No, I wash by hand in this tub.
That looks like hard work.
It keeps me strong, Sarah.
I can help you hang the clothes.
Thank you, Alex. Use the wooden clips.
The sun will dry them fast.
Yes, they will smell like sunshine.
I like that smell. This part of the fence is broken.
Can we fix it?
I need a hammer and some nails.
I can hold the wood for you.
Hold it right there. Don't move.
Is it straight now?
Yes, that is perfect.
You are good at fixing things.
I learned it from my grandfather.
The sun is going down.
The sky is so orange and purple.
Grandma, this herbal tea is great.
It is made from mint and lemon.
We should grow this in the city.
We don't have enough sun on our balcony.
I will give you some dried mint to take home.
That is very kind of you.
I love sitting here.
Wow, look at the sky.
You can see so many stars here.
In the city, the sky is always gray.
Look, there is the Milky Way.
It is so bright and beautiful.
Do you see a falling star?
Yes, make a wish, Alex.
I already did.
What was it?
I can't tell you, or it won't come true. It is getting cold now.
Should we start a fire?
Yes, I have some dry wood.
Be careful with the matches.
Don't worry, I know what I'm doing.
Oh, look at the flames.
It makes the room feel very warm.
Let's sit closer to the fire.
It is so peaceful.
When I was a little girl, things were different.
Did you have a phone?
No, we had books and ghost stories.
Tell us the one about the old mill.
Only if you are not scared.
I'm not scared. Tell us.
It happened on a dark night like this.
Whoo!
Alex, stop it. My bed feels so different.
It is a feather mattress.
It is very soft and warm.
Do you hear the crickets outside?
Yes, it is like a song.
Are you tired from all the work?
Yes, but it was a happy day.
Sleep well, Sarah.
Good night, Alex. What was that?
That is the village alarm clock.
It is so loud.
It means it is time for breakfast.
What time is it?
It is only 5:30 a.m.
Can I sleep for 10 more minutes?
Grandma is already making pancakes. The car is packed and ready.
I am sad to leave.
You must come back soon.
Thank you for everything, Grandma.
Here is some jam and honey for you.
Thank you, Grandma. We love you.
We will call you every Sunday.
Goodbye, my dear children.
Goodbye. See you soon.